Hi guys, I'm back. I've been sick for some time and I had to stop posting videos, but I'm back and I'm gonna finish up my teardrop. I'm healthy now and everything's good. Today I'm gonna show you basically the galley, like what I've done to it so far, and see what kind of changes that I've done over the past. And that's what I'm gonna be showing to you today. Like what I've shown you in the past videos is basically how I have my water jugs on the bottom. They're both 5-gallon. I also store all of my propane in the back. I do have a couple in there. I do have my Coleman that actually comes out. It's all dirty right now, but that's okay. And I do have my Coleman that actually pulls out as well. Let me show you. Give you a good perspective there. And I've tested it with sandbags, so it definitely holds up to the weight that I need. This is just extra material that I have, you know, going around here. I need to do some finishing work. This is also like a washing bin. There's 2 of them, so if I need to do dishes and some other stuff, you can check out my previous videos on that. But this is the look of the interior so far. Like I ended up getting this metal for the edging over at Home Depot, and I just put that on. I just gotta put a clear finish on it and screw it down so it doesn't rust anymore. I do like the look of it. I could spray paint it, but I don't want to do that. And then on the cabinets, you know, I have these locks as well. When you open it up, I do have the hinges, the soft close hinges on that. And then I just have some of my stuff in there. It's not fully prepped, but I do have some ammo cans. It holds a lot of stuff in here. I do have a folding fishing pole in here as well. I have an axe and basically a huge knife, some more lighting, and also a map. And then for the middle drawer, I also have a little radio, utility tool. I do have a small little shovel, a lot of lighters, and if I need one of these, I can definitely use this to start a fire as well. And over on the right side, I do have some other things inside. You know, it's like the pot where I can cook. I can also make all my coffee in here. Just a random bag and some other things. Now when I was creating this, I actually did this finish on the outside so far, I mean on the inside. And then I just used a router to get a nice clean edge on that. But it has a real nice texture, it's all waterproof. You can find this at Home Depot in sheets. It's very thin, so it's a little over like a 1/16 of an inch. Let me see if I can get it there. But it's just real nice. I put it on with just some glue and then routed it so it's nice and even. So all of this is protected going all the way down. You can kind of see where a line where it's here. I got some glue here, but I'll get all that cleaned. But then I also used this material on the inside, so let me show you that. I have all kinds of stuff in here, but you can kind of see where I have it going here and also going towards the door. But you know, it needs to get clean, but it has, like I said, a really good texture to it, and it'll keep the inside completely dry since this is waterproof. And then I'm also going to put it right there as well, going all the way through the top. So these are my bars. This is kind of looking on the inside. Here in the back, I'm gonna make shelves and everything, so you're not gonna be able to see all of this stuff. This will all be covered, kind of going across. But when it comes to this masonite, I'm just gonna use this going around all of the inside, and then I'm going to take this white sheeting, and then I'm going to apply that towards the inside as well. So the entire inside will be water protected. So I like using this material, so it seems to be working out for me. It's just a pain when you actually it's just a pain when you start to cut it, because the shavings go everywhere. So if you decide to actually use it, then I would definitely wear a face mask and some glasses when you're trying to use your router. But yeah, so here's all my wood. I'm about ready to go and start working on the insides. That'll be in my next video. But anyways, hope you guys liked it. I'll keep you up to date. So I'll try to post more videos, keep you guys in tune what's going on. And until then, see you guys.